understand me? Cause first thing, you have to keep your body alive, your blood have to rich.
True.
Yeah, so from the day you're born, you're rich. Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
No some little dead man not rich.
True.
Yeah, man.
You understand what you're saying? So alright, so if you feel like say you're rich and you need help, alright, you feel like say you don't have no money now, you feel like say if you help out people straight when you're looking at the money, you feel like that for work?
With your money, like you're rich and have money.
No, like if you don't have no money now. So you're a trying person.
Yeah.
You feel like say if you're gig straight.
No.
Are you not rich now?
No. Cause you want now to all the system set up. You know, make sense, you seek the thing and I get it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? So as me say, money would have come in like blood.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, make sense, you give it where you are low.
True.
Because remember, you have to buy food, to eat, to maintain the blood in your body, to keep it rich and keep it flowing. You want it?
Yeah, exactly.
That takes money.
Mm-hmm.
To do that, don't.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, when you achieve your money,
Mm-hmm.
you don't walk and give away your money. Your money have to maintain your system. So that means to say your body or your system.
Mm-hmm.
And then still you have your life, daily living, where you have to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? So that will come like your house bill, your car bill, your woman them, all of them daily living there. You know what I say? You have to maintain with your money.
Alright, so when you start share it?
When you start to share money now,
Mm-hmm.
is that when time you find yourself achieve money on top of money, so you find say the tank full and I run over and water or milk or blood or honey continue coming in at the tank.
Yeah.
So it a run over and stuff a come in so you can never dry again.
Yeah.
So you can continue giving away right down the fucking line. So just people to take time with you and wait for feed them term.
Yeah.
But people want you to give away what you have and come back right down on the stage where the tank bottom dry and nothing up in the tank and you're going to have to sit down and look so like lappy dog with them.
True.
And that now go nowhere.
True.
So it's easier for people say you're mean more than say you're worthless.
True.
You understand me,
Cool,
brother?
hey. Yeah, the truth still like that.
Yeah, man. It's easier for people look upon you and say, oh, the blood clot all cat him mean so. Man, when you go to road, yeah, man, I say, oh, you see all them worthless not blood clot, you know.
True.
And a little money in hole, you know.
And a liar.
And look upon him, look where he live. Hey, go him a ride, go him say all bicycle and something. Because so you sit down and we hear people style and class, people. So you tell yourself, say no. But when you start achieve your own, you know so you not to go take this give it to people, fuck people. Look how much people have. How much of them they take for them come give it to you?
None of them.
Hey, then you know that have if them they do it.
Yeah.
So none of them never do it. So me no want nobody come feel like say me a idiot. And me go just walk around give away money cause me I make money. So hold on, what go happen to me the end of the day? Who are going to give me money when me need money?
Nobody.
Me no need money for stockpile. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you need to save
money
too.
for stockpile. That means to say me have money for live off. Me no want money for have to give it and then me no have none tomorrow. Me have to go look money again. For what give it tomorrow again. What good that do to me?
Yeah, we ain't not give them now and say, yeah, this, yeah, that, and this style, yeah, push
That me
the
tell you
goal
say
and...
easy, man. Say me mean, brother. Man say me worthless. So when you go say me a pussy, well, and me a this and me a that, me did expect that long time. Just tell the word, say me mean. Just use the word and that cover everything. Cat mean. Yeah, man, then that no good, brother. Yeah, man, me mean. What wrong with that? Yeah, man.
At least you mean for the better.
Yeah, me mean, but me not mean to myself. Me mean to you. Yeah, man, me not mean to myself. Me go mean to you because you want to sit down and tell yourself, say, me supposed to go work and achieve to maintain you.
That
As you say, cat give me supposed to have for give. Me can't have it too, brother. And me can't have you and
But once you
can't
see you
get
start
too.
make look that them go always see happy.
Yeah, but me can't have you and can't get too.
True.
Yeah, cause you know enough for give. While you come here, I just maintain me
And
needs.
try to turn this.
Yeah, I try. Turn this so me can't have little something can't say, yo brother, you can't come and help move the box here and get that dollar you know, cause me have the dollar you can pay you to move the box here. But if me take that dollar you give you, me not fi go find dollar more for give another man to move the
Yeah,
box
where it all
here.
come from?
Where it a go come from? When me a go get it from? Then I say
Another.
me have it.
And like
Yeah, so me now go have my money and take it gateway and still have the work we done. And me not give the man what to do the work. So I saw now we go can stretch with wings. Cause me I go can say, yo Tom, you don't know some why you fi come do this for me. And how much you charge for do this. I wanna can achieve a money now. Cause not never did I go and I wanna can achieve a money at that time man I feel look and say you have to start from this brother, you have to start work. Not just tell yourself some me I go work and have money and me rich and you go rich too.
No, you have to, things take time.
Things take time, brother. You have to go tell yourself, say, no, we can't have money. We can't work and get money now. So I'm going to set up a business place. We can employ enough of it. So now we can't work and have money.
True.
Yeah, not just tell yourself, say, my money now, I got just done out, so brother. How does that go? For the whole of it. And I walk a big dollar uptown and I beg a man to buy a script and I beg a man to buy a drink and something.
That no good.
And which we did above that long time. And we don't have to say you want to reach. You want to go reach back down there, no me. No, brother. I reach back down there, so brother. I depend that with a man. No, I want to make sure, say, polish off them thing there. Yeah, them thing they take care of. And we good to go. People will gain from you, you know. People will get out of your hand, you know. You will be giving away every day. But the way where people want you to do it, you never can do it. So.
No, no
You
yet.
will never do it, so you're going right back down to Papa stage, brother. I mean, I depend that.
All businessmen, you know, what them do, you know, them work, them save,
you make
and
sure
them
so
turn their
you
money, you know.
achieve before
Yeah.
you can give away, brother, more
People
than
understand
what you give. Oh, you pay get $10 and you give a $8 blood clot dollar. Where you go end up with? You a little $2 can maintain it?
No, sir.
No, brother.
You can't buy food and pay bill.
Can't work, brother. So you have to just know in yourself, say, brother, I nah look on just steady alone, you know. I know about another man, but I nah look on just steady. Today I make $1 million, I go say, bumbo clot, you know, say tomorrow I can make a next $1 million. So here, I mean, I can't fuck up $1 million today. That's not good.
No.
Nah, go nowhere.
Still no good.
Tomorrow it can be weather. You can't make a fucking dollar.
That's a joke.
Yeah,
That's a
tomorrow
joke.
weather, you can't make a dollar.
You can't bluff this
You
one
have to
time.
tell yourself, say, you have a dollar one place, you know. So if I can't go up and make a dollar today, I can still stay put, eat and drink same way.
Because you save this
Yes.
for rainy day.
Yeah.
You know, just blow off all of this one time, so
Right.
just because you make a $1 million.
That day you can go out and make up back something, put back pan now you take out of $1 million there today. And still balance back yourself.
Yeah.
But you know when the day, when a rainy day, you have your gap. A dead for blood clot hungry. And you have your call and a big. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Because you have some man in a brother, he might work 10 blood clot center, $10 a day, you know, and the other man work 10 million, you know. And when the end of the blood clot week, that man have money, I lend the man who work the 10 million.
That no good.
You understand?
That no good.
Because when free cut, the whole of free money from over the weekend. And when blood clot Monday morning come at you, we collect the $10. Can't afford to lend in $2 till in collect in $10 million next week again.
That
Remember
can't
me
good.
tell you. And when the fucking year end, you can show $8 million out of your 10 where you did a collect. You understand? And him can show one pussy clot dollar and him did a collect 20 million. Yeah. Remember me tell you that blood clot and him can't show $1 if him sick and if he go up at the hospital for a taxi which costs 100. Him have to borrow it from you or somebody else. Him no have it.
True.
Cause why man make money in a brother, so him just a spend blood clot money hard and straight down the road in a man. In no business with nothing but no saving and no put up nothing.
No.
Him no depend that. I just blast him a floss and a bra. Check later days when you want blood clot money to spend and can't work to make money.
True.
Where they? Where money they?
Spend a whole lot of this money, bro, man.
Then they not carry up a blood clot arms house go put on, brother. Can't nobody not if you can't spend out feed them money for you now, you know.
True.
Yeah.